Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Michael. I am a quality assurance and software developer. It's a big pleasure stay with you here again. And right now, what I have for you today is I want to show you one of my projects that I'm working. It's this one. This project is basically testing. I'm using Playwright here in TypeScript. And here I have different tests, like for example, this one, okay. Another like could be a login, for example, in here. You can see here, I'm just using this one. I have different testing for that. And I'm testing my web application. My web application is this, and my login page is this one. I don't know if it's okay. I think now it's better to see. Sorry about it. And here I'm just have some information here, just login and password. And here it's a simple page. I don't have a complicated page here, just for the training my skills in automation test. But and one more thing here, I have different as well. Okay, sounds good. Just simple page. It's not very complicated. Let me just come back to here. Here I have different tests and different folders. Okay, and for example here I'm using a good partner like a POM to create my automation test. It's, if you see here, it's very organized. You can see one by one here. It's divided by class, by folder. It's easy to understand. It's easier to maintain. Okay. This is my README. All right. Here I have a lot of information to relate to my project, the Playwright, some configuration, how I did it, how I can run one by one, how I can run using different ways. Okay. Here it's a good document to reference. All right. And what else? Okay. Let me just close this. And I want to just go and show you what I have here. Basically, I'm doing two different things here. One, it's testing my application here, like a login page as well. Let me just come back to my login. In here, I'm testing this page over here. Okay. And another thing is I'm testing the API. Okay. The API, it's the same, but I'm not using the web application for that. I'm using a different one. Let me just open and show to you. API and task. Let me see. Here is the class API here. Okay, I have some methods over here. Deleting task, for example, this is I'm testing my API. What I want to show you, the execution. Just one moment. Here we go. Sorry guys, I found here API. Sorry, I found over here. And basically, in this case, I'm testing the response as well, and what I have, what I expected. But here, one point in here. Of course, in here, I'm creating this project for training my skills in automation test, but it's a plus as well. But the main focus is provide information from my analyzer. Okay, what do you mean analyzer, Michael? And here I will see the result from, I will get all the results from my test as well. They are over here. After I run, after I run some tests, I will receive, in this project we'll create trace and videos and some evidence, and I will be here. Okay, I know this is crazy, but the basic idea, it's create this file and my another project, and here this project will use this file to send to the API. I'm talking about ChatGPT API, and analyze the different errors, like for example, page not found, or I was expecting 200 but I received 400, or the element was disabled or enabled, and these things. Okay, and this information will be here as well, and my analyzer will send to the API, and then I will receive at feedbacks. I will receive the results. For example, here one, let me just open this one, and yeah, all right. Here, of course, I didn't run this right now, but yesterday I did. But basically here you can see some results of, see here, should list provide. Here I have a lot of errors. These errors came from the tests that I run with this project, and this project was, of course, I will explain more in another time. I will just create a specific video for that, but this project just take this information from the API, ChatGPT API, and then create this file for me. Okay, and yeah, this is the main idea. Just one more thing, for example, if you can see here, let me just copy in here, and I will, you can see here. All right, this example. Of course, today I will not run this test. I will create a new video just for explaining how we can run one by one in different scenarios using Chrome or Firefox or a specific folder, and so on. But the main idea right now is just this one. Show you what I have here as well, my project, how I did it, and the result that I expected. Okay, guys, let me just come back in my page over here and here. All right, I really like your time. Thank you so much. I hope you liked this video, and see you next. Bye bye.